Hi there and welcome to my channel called Power BI Tricks and Stuff. On this channel, from time to time, I'm share with you different videos which I hope may be useful for you to make your reports in Power BI more interesting. In today's video, for example, I am going to share with you a trick allowing you to create a nice background for preliminary data from the final data if you already possess it. I will do it basing on the Formula 1 dataset and Formula 1 dashboard I created. If you like, you can download it using a link in the description. That's it for the introduction, I think. So let's see what is on my desktop. Okay. Here it is, my desktop, and the report I'll use as a starting point to illustrate today's trick. It is pretty simple and somewhat aggressive because of the red color being dominant here, but this choice is not random. I based the color scheme of this report on the colors used in the Formula 1 logo. In fact, the red color they use in their logo is fantastically chosen, since it has it starts with F1 and ends with 4 zeros. It's an awesome fun fact, don't you think so? Okay, but let's go back. Let's go back to the Power BI desktop and my red F1 dashboard. I'd say that in its current state it would be totally okay to use it for the purpose of tracking the current F1 championship. Like this, for example, situation changes, new round happens, and so on and so on and so on. But we deal with an archive dataset, so for each year we know the outcome, how many points each driver and each team had earned in the end. We can use this knowledge to enhance our dashboard and transform it to the one you see on the screen right now. What I like in it is that this dashboard is somewhat static. You see, drivers and teams, they don't change their old order. Moreover, the x-axis, it does not readjust its scale when we jump from one round to the next, and it's cool. If you like it too and wanna know how to transform the initial dashboard to this state, just keep watching. We already have a couple of DAX measures in our report. The one which helps to emulate a progress bar here, and the other one which calculates points earned by drivers and teams by the end of the selected round. So it is used here, you see. But we will need a couple more measures to fulfill our need to change this dashboard into something new. So first of all, let's use this measure as a starting point, create a new one. Let's name it something like in future. Points in future, it will calculate points which had been earned by a driver or a team after after the selected round. So here we'll just change the sign. Okay, ready. And we will need one more measure, which we will name like total this year. And here we'll need to modify it like that. It is needed to calculate all the points for the selected year. So we will use it to sort our data properly. You will see in a while what I'm talking about. Let's also modify the format of our measures. This one and this one. Now let's add the first of our two measures, newly created measures, to our graphs. Okay, now we need to readjust colors a little bit. Okay, let's start with this visual. First of all, let's change color of the bars. Points so far it's white, points in future it's gray. Okay, data labels off, data labels on. The same here. Ready. But you see, we don't have this static behavior I promised earlier, because teams and drivers change their position depending on the round selection. It is because of the sorting. Should we have an option to sort our data by the sum of our two measures, we would have been saved, but there is no such an option in Power BI. So the trick here will be to use our second measure, newly created measure. Okay, let's add it. Let's add it to the tooltip section of each. After that, it will appear in the sorting option. So here and here. And now you see the static behavior is there. Okay, voila, we have achieved the end point of our journey with the dashboard. If you liked what you have just seen, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel or like this video, or do both. If for some reason you didn't, and want to express your feelings, go to the comment section and criticize me there. Bye for today. See you.